Hi everyone, Steve here from Steve's Customize Engrave, coming to you from Davenport, Florida. Before we start this next project, I want to disclose that I am a registered independent voter, and what I print and sell does not necessarily reflect my political views. Okay, so today we're going to be using the RF-TS2 DTG printer, and we're going to turn a plain white shirt into this printed shirt. Alright, so let's get to it. So what I'm going to do here is pre-press my white shirt. You can run between 310 330 degrees, and that should be good. And then we'll go ahead, press it down, and we'll get the wrinkles out. Alright, now that our shirt has been pre-pressed, I went ahead and I centered it on the platen here. Alright, with practice it's really not hard to get it centered. Alright, lint roller. Make sure you get all the lint off the shirt. Okay, now you want to do that before you put the plate on, because if you lint roll before you put this plate on, the material will move. So I'm going to go ahead and place this down. And it kind of tightens up the fabric. Okay, good. Now the excess shirt, you can go ahead and just tuck it in. Just go around the shirt and it all tucks in. Plenty of room to tuck under here. This way it doesn't get in the way when it moves. Okay, plate's on, shirt's tucked in. I'm going to go ahead and send it in. Now you have to make sure that the print head's 2 to 3 millimeters away from the surface. 2 millimeters is about the thickness of a nickel if you need a reference point. But I'm going to go ahead and move the print head over. I'm pressing the L button. Now you can see the distance here. I am going to press the up button. And you can see right about there. And again, 2 to 3 millimeters. It's about the thickness of a nickel. Now I'm going to push the lock button. Send it back over. And we're going to go ahead and print. Alright, now I'm going to open up my Print EXP software. We're going to go into RIP, import. I am going to go ahead and bring in the image. Now width-wise, this is if you bring an original size, it's way bigger than the canvas, but I can make an adjustment here. So I'm going to go ahead and lower the width to about 250 millimeters. Alright, so that fits there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click center and center. See that? I centered it left to right, centered it up and down. So this is what I want here. Okay? Now, spot color. Now sometimes you may have this set if you're doing a dark shirt. Okay, this is the setting for a dark shirt. Being I'm printing on white, okay, there's a couple of things. You don't need pre-treatment, and you need to turn the white because you don't need to add white to it. We're going to change that to none. Okay, so that looks good. It fits around nice and even, and we're going to go ahead and hit print, and then we'll go to the printer. here is the finished product. Looking good. Alright, now that the printing is done, we're going to go ahead and remove the metal plate. Now be careful, the ink is still wet. Alright, so be careful when you handle it. Alright, we're going to pick it up carefully and then we're going to bring it to the heat press. Alright, I have it on the heat press now, and I'm going to go ahead and for me I'm going to press it at 330 degrees for about 40 seconds. I'll push it in and we're going to go ahead and press it. And you can use light to medium pressure. You're just drying the ink right now. Alright, we're going to go ahead and peel this off. There we go. And it looks amazing and dry to the touch, and the feel is incredible. Really nice feel to it as well. Looks good. Welcome back. As you can see, the RF-TS2 DTG printer is capable of fantastic results on a white shirt. And this would be a great addition if you're looking to start your new printing business or add to your existing business. The cost to print is minimal for shirts. Okay? So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you're going to be in the Central Florida area, go ahead and leave me a note and you can come and see these printers in person and get a live demo. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these printers, go ahead and go to CustomizeEngrave.com. And as always, thanks for watching.